So hello everyone, thank you for joining today's information session. My name is Elaina, I'm a student recruitment associate at McGill University, and I'll be presenting today our 2021 summer short programs. First, I'll start with a quick introduction of McGill University. So McGill was founded in 1821. We are one of the oldest universities in Canada and one of the leading universities in the world. We have made a list of different world university ranking systems for higher education. And on the screen here, we've included our three most recent rankings. We've recently been placed 42nd already for 2021 by Times Higher Education. We have a total of 12 Nobel Prizes. These were awarded to some of our former professors and alumni in different fields, mainly in chemistry and in medicine. We have a total of 147 Rhodes Scholars. These are international postgraduate awards that were given to students for their academic achievements, and they were given the opportunity to study at the University of Oxford for up to 2 years. For last academic year, we have welcomed over 40,000 students in over 300 programs, and 30.1% of these students were international students. McGill University is a research-intensive university. We have a yearly budget of $500 million. And we have a very big impact on the Canadian economy, generating $5.2 billion every year. One last interesting fact, so our campus is located in downtown Montreal, and our city was voted sixth best city in the world for students in 2019. So all of these summer short programs that I will be presenting today are offered at the School of Continuing Studies. So we welcomed approximately 6,000 students in different programs. We offer short-term credit-based business and management programs. So we offer programs at the undergraduate and graduate level. We offer language programs in both French or English, and these are intensive programs that last for 6 weeks. And the main focus of today's presentation will be our non-credit short programs with transcript. So these programs are offered twice every year, once in the winter, starting at the end of January, and once in the summer, starting at the end of July. Normally, these short programs run for 3 weeks if they are offered on site at McGill, or for 4 weeks if they are offered remotely. All of our courses are taught by active professionals in the field. So all of our instructors have over 10 years of experience in their field, and they work very hard to bring that experience, that expertise, and all of their knowledge to the classrooms. It's important for us to mention also that all of our courses, whether they are credit or non-credit, they all undergo the same approval and quality control process as any other course that is offered across all faculties at McGill. So I'll be showing you a few images here of our campus. So the first one is the Rhodes Gates. So this is the main entrance to our downtown campus. And right behind the main entrance is the path that leads to the Faculty of Arts. The Faculty of Arts is the most photographed and most recognized building on our campus. Usually when you think of McGill University, this is the first faculty that comes to mind. So this is the Faculty of Arts. Here we have another angle of our campus, and in the background you can notice our Red Path Museum with the red banners. So this is one of our museums that is located on our campus. And finally here, this is McTavish Street. This is where you will find most of our offices for student services. Now, just to give you an idea of where we are located, so our campus is located in downtown Montreal, right here. We are in the province of Quebec. We are located right between the city of Quebec and Ottawa. We are about 2 hours away from Ottawa, Ottawa being the capital of Canada. And we are also very close with the border of the United States here. Now for our 2021 summer short programs, so we will be offering them remotely for 4 weeks. So they will be starting on July 19 until August 13. And you will have the option of registering to either a full program or an individual course. So for the programs, we are offering 4, and each one includes 2 courses each. So we are offering digital marketing, introduction to big data, introduction to cloud computing, and machine learning. Now for the individual courses, we are offering 4. So we are offering current trends in digital communication, fundamentals of international business, innovation and creativity for entrepreneurs, and introduction to business analytics and data modeling. So all of our programs and individual courses will be taught live in a remote teaching format. So you'll be able to take your courses from home. Our programs are for a total of 60 contact hours, and our individual courses are half of a program. So they are for a total of 30 contact hours. All of our students will be receiving a record of study. So this is a transcript that includes your final grades. And for the students who successfully complete a short program, so who successfully complete both courses that are included in their short program, will be receiving a certificate of completion from McGill School of Continuing Studies. Now, the general requirement to register for our summer short programs is your level of English proficiency. So we recommend that students have a level of English proficiency equivalent to 79 on the TOEFL IBT, 6.0 on the IELTS, or 105 on the Duolingo test. So these scores and tests are simply recommendations. They are not required for you to register. Our summer short programs are offered only in English, and we want to make sure that students have a sufficient level of English before registering for either a program or an individual course. So again, these scores and tests are simply recommendations. They will not affect your registration. Applicants should also currently be enrolled or possess a bachelor's degree in any discipline. But we do have specific requirements for our more technical short programs. Now, the first one, if you are interested with our Introduction to Big Data short program, you should currently be enrolled or possess a degree in the following fields. So either in engineering, in science, or commerce in management information systems. It's also important for you to have a solid understanding of statistical concepts. And at the bottom of the screen, we have included online courses that you can take to review your skills and your knowledge of Linux, Java, and SQL before the start of this program. If you're interested in the Introduction to Machine Learning short program, you should currently be enrolled or hold a degree in one of these disciplines, so either computer science, engineering, science, or commerce in machine management information system. It's also important for you to have an intermediate level of programming skills in Python. And here we've also included self-assessment online tests that you can take to review your skills in Python at the time of your application. And for the students who are interested in taking Introduction to Cloud Computing, this is our newest short program. You should currently be enrolled or hold a bachelor's degree in computer science or a related field. And here at the bottom, we have included courses that you can take to review your skills, your general skills in computer science. Now for the delivery mode, again, we will be offering our summer short programs in a live remote teaching format. So you'll be able to take your classes from home. And we will be offering 2 sections to accommodate different time zones. So we will be offering one section for Asia Pacific time zones and one section for students from North, South America and Europe. All classes will be taught approximately from 6 p.m. to 11 p.m. For Asia Pacific time zones in Eastern Standard Time. and 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for students coming from North, South America, and Europe. So it's important here to note that our instructors will be teaching in Montreal during these times here. So it's important to keep this in mind. All of our classes will be scheduled for 3 hours per session, and the final schedule is still to be confirmed. So we will be sending you your schedule at a later time. The courses will include short breaks and will focus strongly on student engagement. So you will have a lot of opportunity to interact with your classmates, interact with your instructor, and you will also have group work. Instructors will also be providing office hours every week, so you'll have the chance to connect with your instructor and ask your questions and get more support if needed. Now for the fees, if you are interested in registering to a program, the fee is $2,350 Canadian. And for an individual course, it's $1,175 Canadian. So the fees include the tuition fees and registration fees. They also include your record of study. So again, this is your transcript that includes your final grades. And it also includes the certificate of completion. And this is for the students who successfully complete both courses of their program. Now for important dates, registration will open on March 1st, and I'll share with you at the end of the presentation our website where you will find all of the registration links. And the registration deadline for our 2021 summer short programs is June 1st. Now, even though you will be studying from home, you will have a chance to participate in cultural and social activities. So students will be invited to join virtual tours of Montreal through Zoom. We will be working with a certified guide of Montreal to offer virtual tours of some of the main tourist attractions in Montreal. So here we've included the list of 11 tours that we offered to students last summer. So this is just to give you an idea of the main sites that you will be discovering, but of course the precise schedule and the tours will be confirmed to you at a later date. Our team will also be keeping in touch with you throughout the 4 weeks. So you will be receiving weekly newsletters from our team that includes a lot of information. We will be including reminders about your courses. The newsletters will also include weekly invitations to Montreal virtual tours. So you'll be receiving the weekly schedule, as well as the Zoom links to join the virtual tours. We'll also be sending you recent updates about McGill University, so you'll always be aware of what is happening on campus. You'll be receiving invitations to activities and workshops that you can join for free that are offered across the university. And we will be including interesting facts about Montreal. Now, finally, if you would like to learn more about our 2021 summer short programs, if you need more details, you can visit our website right here. We will also be including the registration links that will start on March 1st on our website, so you can register directly on our website here. But of course, if you have questions or you need further clarifications on what was presented today, feel free to write to me here, shortprograms.scs@mcgill.ca. It would be my pleasure to answer your questions. And I would also invite you to complete our student interest form. It takes less than a minute to complete. You could let us know a little bit about yourself, let us know what option you are interested in, what are your objectives at McGill. You can also give us some feedback on this presentation. It's a very good way to keep in touch with us, and it's a very good way for us to send you updates and reminders about our summer short programs. So you can scan this QR code right here with your cell phone, or you can click the link right here to access the student interest form. So this is the end of our information session. I would like to thank everyone for listening to our summer short programs, and I hope to be able to welcome you to McGill this summer virtually.